Hello everyone, I'm going to introduce you to WebLinks, a handy add-on that I've created for Blender. Imagine working on a 3D project requiring various external resources such as documentation, video tutorials, images, specific documents, or even audio files. This add-on allows you to organize these URLs directly from Blender, saving you from juggling between different programs or digging through your bookmarks. You can add as many as you want, categorize them, or delete them as needed. It may sound simple, and it is. The add-on won't revolutionize how you use Blender, but it can streamline certain tasks, such as keeping track of your reference URLs, especially when working on complex and lengthy projects. Installing the add-on is similar to installing most other Blender add-ons. Once you've downloaded the file from the link in the description of this video, go to Edit in Blender, then access Preferences and click on Install Add-on. From there, navigate to the folder where the installation file is located, select it, and press Install Add-on, then activate it. That's it. The add-on is now ready to use. You'll find it in the End panel of Blender's interface. In summary, this add-on is a handy little tool. It won't revolutionize the software, but it can certainly make it easier for you to keep track of your reference URLs. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Feel free to try it out and share your feedback in the comments. See you soon.